Hello, I'm Anton. This is day 15 of the daily crypto installment program. As usual, I bought 3 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. Hold on, let me play the transaction recording. So, here it is, the daily crypto installment transaction for January 25th, 2025. While the recording is running, let's talk crypto again. Today, we're back to discussing XRP, but the focus isn't on the coin itself, but on this question. What is Ripple? Who owns XRP? So here it is. XRP is a digital token used in the RippleNet network. Ripple itself is the name of the company that created the RippleNet technology. Ripple Labs is a US-based company, and their mission is to create a faster and cheaper cross-border money transfer system. But it's important to note, XRP is not Ripple stock, and Ripple does not fully control XRP. XRP runs on an open network that anyone can use. Ripple may own the majority of XRP, but they are not the only ones who use or hold it. Think of it like a railroad company. Ripple builds the tracks and trains, but anyone can use those tracks to run their own system. Ripple has had legal battles with the SEC in the US over XRP, but to this day, XRP remains one of the most popular and widely used cryptocurrencies. I personally didn't participate in the debate, but I'm interested in the technology. That's why I'm paying off 10,000 XRP per day to learn and grow together. Who else has started paying off XRP? Let us know by liking this video. Let's continue this journey. See you in week 3.